Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a fascinating exploration of the challenges and opportunities at the intersection of a growing global population and the evolving landscape of agriculture. With projections indicating a staggering people by upcoming years, the demand for increased food production has spurred two key strategies: expanding agricultural land and leveraging technology for enhanced productivity. In the face of limited land, labor shortages, climate change, and soil fertility concerns, modern agriculture is witnessing a wave of innovation. Despite technological advancements aimed at improving efficiency and harvests each season, the transformative potential of artificial intelligence in agriculture often goes untapped. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of this critical crisis, uncovering the untold story of how AI could reshape the future of farming. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content, and let's delve into the realm where technology meets the fields. Agriculture encompasses a range of manual processes and stages, and the integration of AI can serve as a valuable complement to existing technologies, streamlining tasks that are both complex and routine. Through the capability to collect and analyze extensive datasets on a digital platform, AI can identify optimal courses of action and, when combined with other technologies, even initiate actions. The synergy of artificial intelligence and agriculture holds potential benefits for various processes. Crop and soil monitoring. The health of crops relies significantly on soil micro and macronutrients, crucial for both quantity and quality of yield. Monitoring the growth stages of crops is essential for optimizing production efficiency, requiring an understanding of the intricate interactions between crop development and the environment. Traditionally, assessing soil quality and crop health depended on human judgment, prone to inaccuracies and delays. Technology offers a transformative solution, utilizing unmanned aerial vehicles or drones to capture aerial image data. With the integration of computer vision models and visual sensing AI, this data can be intelligently analyzed for monitoring crop health, predicting yield accurately, and swiftly detecting crop malnutrition, surpassing human capabilities. These AI models not only offer insights into specific issues but also empower farmers to take immediate, targeted actions, marking the dawn of a new era in precision agriculture. Insect and plant disease detection. Leveraging image recognition technology rooted in deep learning, we now have the capability to automate the identification of plant diseases and pests. This involves employing methods such as image classification, detection, and image segmentation to construct models that can autonomously monitor and assess plant health. Livestock health monitoring. Animals are another major component of our agriculture systems, and they tend to need a bit more tracking than plants. Computer vision can count animals, detect disease, identify unusual behavior, and monitor significant activities such as giving birth. Collect data from cameras and drones. Combine with other technologies to keep farmers informed on animal health and access to food or water. The algorithms are trained to look at video data and determine what the animals are up to, whether they're drinking, eating, sleeping, or doing something odd that may be indicative of disease or behavioral problems. Intelligent spraying. Computer vision not only excels in detecting disorders in agriculture but also proves instrumental in their prevention. Unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with computer vision AI enable the automated and uniform spraying of pesticides or fertilizer across fields. Real-time recognition of target spraying areas empowers UAV sprayers to operate with exceptional precision, minimizing the risk of contaminating crops, humans, animals, and water resources. While the potential benefits are substantial, certain challenges persist, such as the efficiency of spraying large fields requiring multiple UAVs. Nevertheless, the accuracy of the computer vision system, as seen in weed terminator applications, ensures precise spraying that avoids collateral damage to crops or the environment. Automatic weeding. Computer vision robots adopt a direct approach to weed elimination, utilizing the same principles employed in spotting insects or observing animal behavior. This not only minimizes the workload for farmers but also contributes to environmental sustainability by reducing the reliance on herbicides. The integration of computer vision algorithms with deep learning facilitates the creation of robots designed for automatic weeding, enhancing efficiency and promoting eco-friendly farming practices. Aerial survey and imaging. AI can analyze imagery from drones and satellites to help farmers monitor crops and herds. That way they can be notified immediately if something looks amiss without having to constantly observe the fields themselves. Aerial imaging is also useful for boosting the precision and efficiency of pesticide spraying. Ensuring that pesticides only go where they're intended saves money as well as the surrounding environment. Produce grading and sorting. AI computer vision extends its support to farmers beyond the cultivation phase, proving valuable even after the crops have been harvested. In the same way it identifies defects, diseases, and pests during plant growth, imaging algorithms excel in sorting high-quality produce from the defective or aesthetically unappealing ones. Through the inspection of fruits and vegetables based on criteria like size, shape, color, and volume, computer vision automates the sorting and grading process with remarkable accuracy and speed, surpassing the capabilities of even well-trained professionals. As we wrap up our exploration into the fascinating realm of AI in agriculture, we've witnessed a transformative journey from ancient farming tools to the cutting-edge applications of computer vision and AI. In the face of a changing climate and growing global food needs, AI emerges as a powerful supporter in revolutionizing 21st century agriculture. From enhancing efficiency in time, labor, and resources to promoting environmental sustainability, smart resource allocation, and real-time monitoring for healthier produce, the applications of AI are vast. While this evolution requires a shift in the agricultural industry, with farmers' knowledge translating into AI training, it's a testament to the enduring spirit of innovation in agriculture. Join us as we look forward to a future where AI and agricultural robotics continue to play a pivotal role in meeting the challenges of food security and shaping the landscape of farming for generations to come.